Comparing Azure Synapse ARM template versus alternatives is a crucial step in understanding the best approach to deploying and managing Azure Synapse resources. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based enterprise data warehouse that allows users to integrate and analyze data from various sources. To start with, an Azure Resource Manager ARM template is a JSON file that defines the infrastructure and configuration for your project. It provides a repeatable and consistent way to deploy resources. When it comes to Azure Synapse, ARM templates can be used to create and manage Synapse resources such as workspaces, databases, and pipelines. One key alternative to ARM templates is the Azure Portal, a web-based interface that allows users to create and manage resources manually. While the Azure Portal provides an intuitive and user-friendly experience, it can be time-consuming and prone to human error, especially for complex deployments. Another alternative is Azure PowerShell, a task-based command line shell and scripting language built on top of the .NET framework. Azure PowerShell provides a powerful way to automate deployments, but it requires scripting knowledge and can be challenging to learn for beginners. Azure CLI is another alternative that provides a cross-platform command line experience for managing Azure resources. It offers a simple and efficient way to automate deployments, but it may not provide the same level of flexibility as ARM templates. When comparing Azure Synapse ARM templates to these alternatives, several key factors come into play. ARM templates provide version control, reuse, and consistency, making them ideal for large-scale deployments. They also support conditional logic and loops, allowing for complex deployments. On the other hand, the Azure Portal and Azure PowerShell or Azure CLI are better suited for small-scale deployments or proof-of-concept projects. They provide an intuitive interface and a simple way to automate deployments, but they may not offer the same level of consistency and reuse as ARM templates. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to use ARM templates for large-scale deployments and automate deployments using Azure PowerShell or Azure CLI. It is also essential to version control ARM templates and test deployments thoroughly before deploying to production. In conclusion, Azure Synapse ARM templates provide a powerful way to deploy and manage Azure Synapse resources, offering consistency, reuse, and version control, while alternatives such as the Azure Portal, Azure PowerShell, and Azure CLI have their own strengths and weaknesses. ARM templates are ideal for large-scale deployments and complex projects. By understanding the pros and cons of each approach, users can make informed decisions and choose the best deployment method for their specific needs.